Hey guys, I am here to unbox my brand new MacBook Air. And before I do that, let me introduce myself. My name is Solis Ojotule. I am a graduate student at the University of Edinburgh under the sponsorship of the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship in the University of Edinburgh. And guys, the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship is so generous. They are so generous that today I am an owner of a brand new MacBook Air. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So guys, you see this package behind me was given to me by my scholarship body, the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship. I mean, only the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship can do this. Oh god, they are the one that can make me this rich, make me a big girl. My scholarship wants to make me a big girl by force, by fire. Oh my guys, I own a MacBook Air. My name is written on it, so this, guys. Before I continue, before I unveil this, my baby here, I want to talk about the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship, of which I am now a beneficiary. Yes, I won the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship and I'm presently in the UK. I'm presently in Edinburgh. If you've not seen the video where I announced the scholarship, I'll link it up in the card so you can go and watch it. So guys, ordinary me like this is now in the UK. I never dreamt of it. I never knew I could be here, but the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship made it real for me. It made it easy for me. It made the whole thing easy. I don't have money to cross Nigeria border, and today I didn't just win a scholarship. I'm not a big girl. I am an owner of a brand new MacBook Air. So let me talk about the scholarship before I unveil this. The Mastercard Foundation Scholarship is targeted at developing the next generation of African leaders, and they are doing it through education. So they are sponsoring students who are academically excellent, who are talented, who are very active in their communities, contributing positively to their communities, and yet do not have the financial capability to study in a developed world like this. So the scholarship is targeted at sponsoring these people to help them, to help African young people develop these leadership qualities and leadership skills. And the support is not just limited to only financial support, it also encompasses social support and academic support, and this includes tuition fees. It's fully funded, so they're taking care of your tuition fees, they are taking care of your living expenses, accommodation, moral support, and everything, guys, and everything. Before I unveil this, I want to thank the Mastercard Scholarship. This is too big. I never knew I am going to be an owner of a MacBook Air soon. I didn't even know. So I want to thank the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship for giving me the opportunity to study in a developed world and in a very good university like the University of Edinburgh, for sponsoring me all the way from Nigeria, my home country, to this place. It is really huge, and I did not take it for granted. Thank you, Mastercard team. They have been very supportive right from where we're in Nigeria till where we came here. They have been really very supportive through all the processes and applications, visa processing, flight booking, and everything. They have really been helpful to the whole team. Thank you on behalf of my colleagues. We are very grateful. Thank you very much. And guys, I'm telling you now, please apply so you can come and study in a developed country like this. Seriously, there are two ways. If you are not a rich kid in Nigeria, you need scholarship to be able to take you out of that world to another world to study. So guys, Please key into this opportunity, apply to scholarships if you have the intention of studying in a developed world. I'm very grateful to the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship. I am very grateful. I wouldn't have been able to afford this. Nah, I don't even know if I can be able to afford this in the next 5 years. I mean the whole thing, traveling abroad, paying tuition, getting a Mac, no way. I won't lie, This is huge, and I'm very grateful. Thank you, Mastercard. This is really, really, really huge for a poor girl like me, of course, who just have a dream and nothing else. They made this dream a reality, and I am very, very happy. I am very grateful. I'm going to make a video entirely to talk about my story, to share my experience and who I am. And I hope that will be able to motivate you not to give up on your dreams, not to lay down your guard. Keep it up high there, because one day it is going to come to a reality. Thank you, Mastercard. So guys, let's go straight into unboxing our gifts from Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program. Okay, here we go. We have it here. MacBook Air. What? Hey! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Woof! Oh my! What? Oh god! Good! Good! Ha! Ha! MacBook! MacBook! Oh my god! Okay. Okay. We have the charger here. Okay. Phone here. Okay. Damn, I need this. I won't lie. I do not know how to operate a MacBook, but I'm gonna learn. I have not owned one before, so I need this guide. I need this guide. Okay. Welcome to MacBook Air. MacBook Air automatically starts up when you lift the lid. Setup assistant helps you get up and running. Okay. Thunderbolt USB 4. So yeah, this is it. And we have the charger here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We have the charger here. Hey, I'm all smiles. My God! Oh God, this is too much to take in. This is too much to take in for me. Like, so watch me open my brand new MacBook. Solis Ojotule is an owner of a MacBook. Let us sink. Okay, my brand new baby is here. So, oh my God. Oh Jesus, guys. Oh my name is written on it. This camera is on front mode, so you know it. Oh my God! Thank you, Mastercard. Thank you, Mastercard. This is huge. Thank you, Mastercard team. Hey, thank you, Mastercard. Thank you. This is huge. This is beautiful. I love it. I have a brand new baby here. Hey, me that did not own any laptop, and I own not even a small laptop, big one. Please put some respect to my name because I am an owner of a brand new MacBook Air. Hey, you see this logo? Hey. I now own one. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful, and I love it. I mean, jokes apart, I'm very grateful. I'm very grateful to the team. Guys, take a good view. Yeah, take a good view. It's so fine, so fine, and portable. Oof. Thank you, Mastercard. Oh God, this is beautiful. Okay, guys, this guy is going to learn how to use a MacBook because I don't know how to use it. So I'm going to learn how to use a MacBook. At least I have something to practice because I now own one, so I'm going to learn how to use it. I don't know how this works. I've never owned one before, so thank you, Mastercard. Thank you. So guys, automatically I'm now a big girl, and only one thing can make you a big girl: your brain. The package didn't just come with a MacBook, it came with this, yes, and from the label it is a laptop sleeve. So let's go ahead and open this. Laptop sleeve. Okay, yeah, yes. Okay, laptop sleeve. Okay. Okay. Oh, very good sleeve for my MacBook. Oh, okay. Wow, this is nice. So I can easily fold up my system and put it in it to safeguard it. Automatic big girl. Hey, only Mastercard can make you a big girl like this. So God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh God, I'm very excited, and I can't even contain it. I can't contain my excitement and my happiness, guys. I'm so very happy. I'm just a girl that have just a dream, and how this was going to be possible, I didn't know, right? But God said it's going to be possible through the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program, and today, this ordinary girl is now a beneficiary of the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship, fully funded accommodation, flights, tuition, everything, living expenses, everything. He took care of everything, taking care of me as a whole, and now giving me a brand new laptop. This is huge. Thank God. Thank you, Mastercard. Oh God, please guys, let me end this video. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so see you in my next video. Please, bye.